time that I have to go explain. I just spent like, yay. Oh no, my sled. I completely forgot. Oh, it! Right in my mouth. It isn't plastering the garage. I wanted to put a little flaky up here now. Well, one, we don't have a spot for a flag. So I want to run down this thing. Has to go this way. It's stuck. Look at that. I go like this. I'll just leave it like this. It's like embedded into the snow right here. So that's a walkway. This is a side. That's a side. That's another one. And then that's one. And then that's the end of this. And then I just wanted this. Since we do have a big flag, but like we can't like put it anywhere because we don't have like a hook, so I put this here. So show appreciation until winter's gone. But yeah, I guess I could stick it at a higher elevation. But I think this is the most secure space. It's getting all twisted.